name's Randy Anderson, and behind me here is my Dodge Dart. It's a 1969 GTS. It's B5 blue, and ever since I was in high school in 1973, I purchased my first Dart, which was a same as this car, 340. It was a T5 bronze car, which still exists to this day. But this car, or the GTSs in particular the 69s, have always been a passion of mine over the years. So years ago, I ended up selling my T5 bronze 69 GTS, and it's the biggest mistake I ever made. But many years later, I actually went out and found the car after a lot of a lot of work and working with the state and all that, and it was found up in Duluth, Minnesota, and I actually managed to buy it back. And in turn, a while after that, I ended up working a deal with my friend, my best friend, and he was actually the original owner of the car, and I sold it back to him and found this B5 blue car I don't know, a couple of years ago. And the whole objective in upgrading the drivetrain in that is to be able to really, blow his doors off in a race. This car is going through a pretty significant drivetrain upgrade. I've got my master builder, John, and he's been working on this with me now for several months. And we basically have put in a completely modified 340 and Dana rear end, a competitive transmission, and it's really going to be a car that's going to that I'm going to be able to drive and be proud of. So, and then also it's something that I don't plan on ever selling. I plan on keeping it essentially forever and handing it down to my grandson, who's now 1.5 years old, and he's going to be the Dart guy of the family to carry this legacy on. In the spring, which isn't that far away, 4 or 5 months, this car is going to be ready to hit the road, and it'll be ready to have its first street race grudge match with my buddy that's got the T5 bronze Dart now. And once again, that was the big reason why I went through all the trouble of building and modifying the drivetrain on this car, so he doesn't even have a chance in hell of beating me on the street. So going forward, I'd like you to subscribe and like this video, because you'll be able to witness the original startup of the build, and then also you'll be along for the first street race.